Right, welcome back. Something a little bit different today. What we're going to do is we're going to make ourselves a little to-do list. So, and then once we've done all that, we can move on to the engine and all the mechanical stuff. So this is a list for the body. So it looks quite long, but I think most of it is just kind of finishing off a little bit. So we're gonna be in the garage again tomorrow. So I think I'll probably add tomorrow's before you release this. So whatever I'm saying is kind of pointless. Tomorrow we're gonna get off the rest of the valance, cut that off, finish cleaning up the floor, and maybe get a bit of paint under there so it's all nice, and then I'll start cleaning off the rear valance to put that back on. Okay, cheers guys. And this is why I say to wear a mask, because all this dust just from tidying up that bottom bit. So just little particles of rust in the air, which is really not good to breathe in. So definitely a bit of more rust in that corner there. Obviously I've still got to take off this lip, and then I've got to sort out that corner in there as well. But not bad. I've just gone around and I finished cleaning up the boot floor and gave it a good spray with some brake cleaner and got some extra primer on. Obviously it's not perfect, it's just to cover up the bare metal at the minute. Still need to go across this lip and take all that off. Right, so hopefully you can see there, but the point of running along with a grinder like that is to show these little low spots, and wherever these low spots are should be a spot weld that I can drill out and then peel off that lip, in theory. So we'll see how that goes. Right, you're back again. I ran out of battery halfway through that, so as you can see, it actually worked quite well with the spot weld drill bit. You can see all the little bits where it's left a little bit of metal. If you haven't seen a spot weld drill bit before, basically it will cut through just one layer of metal and leave bottom layer. So that's how you end up with these little circles. So I've gone all along the lip, took off that last little lip that was left. Right over here on the passenger side, we don't have a whole lot left of this lip. Managed to make a hole there, so I'm going to have to cut that off and repair that bit of the boot floor. See it from the inside. Next thing, I'm going to come back under here and go along with a flat disc, clean up all that rusty and all the little bits of where the spot weld drill bit didn't clean up. So clean all of that edge, and then I can have a look at the valance that's got to go back on. Right, so that's that lip all cleaned up and boot floor cleaned, so we can tick that off. Got another hour, so I think what I'm going to do is try and clean up that valance that I've got and see what condition I can get that into, if I need to order a new one or not. But hopefully it should be fine, but we'll find out. Well, I don't think it came out too bad. You probably saw on the other side I tried to use some nitromors, just didn't seem to do anything. Using the wire wheel on the wax oil or underseal that's on the other side, it doesn't seem to do anything, so I'll leave that for another day. You're all going to probably say I'm wasting my time, because I don't think they're very expensive actually, but it was one of those things that I've got it, so I wanted to use it. There you go, it's even got some black on it now, so I've managed to leave this edge just in weld through primer, and then that's obviously black for under the car, so that'll be alright, I reckon. Obviously it's not going to be a perfect finish, but nothing on this car is going to be perfect. It's not a show car or anything, so I just want a Mini on the road. As long as it passes its MOT, I'll be happy. Just as a quick side note, this wing was replaced and repainted a number of years ago, not by me, and I always didn't like it. It was really rough to the touch. I just gave it a quick sand and a polish, and I actually quite like it, but then I'm kind of into like ratty patina look, so I don't know what you guys think. The colour really, it just doesn't do it justice, this camera. Somehow it's slightly darker. I'll see if I can get a better video on the thing. Right, so thanks again everyone for watching. I didn't get as much done as I wanted, as always. That's just always how it goes. If you want to go down in the comments section and drop me a comment, and we're only about 25 people off 300 subscribers, so once we get to 300 I've got a few things to give away. If you just want to put a comment down below, and that will enter you into the giveaway. I'm afraid this is only for the UK, so I'm not posting it elsewhere, I'm afraid. But if you are interested, drop a comment down below and I'll get you one of these items. Right, so first we've got this Speed Freaks mug and coaster set. Box is a bit bashed up, but it's all brand new, never been used. It's got this sweet mini escape on the side. And just a cool little rubber coaster. Tiny. We've got this Street Machines green flash. I did just drop this and I managed to break off that wing mirror. Sorry. Kinda cool. And just a little kind of Hot Wheels type mini. And there's a BMW on there if anyone's a fan of those.